Good day, Sir Madam. My name is Delia Viloria, 43 years old, single. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 8 years in one family as a helper. But my main job here is being a nanny from 1-year-old to 6 years old girl. I'm also the one who take care of 9 dogs, which is 6 Shih Tzu and 3 Aspin. I'm also the one who feed them and take them a bath. I'm also doing laundry, mopping, and also I assist my employer while she is cooking, like chopping meats, veggies, and other necessity. I also work experience as a massage therapist in spa salon here in the Philippines. Sir Madam, if you given me a chance to work with you, I will do my best and work hard for your family. And also, I will love them and treat them, your family, as my family too. Thank you and God bless.